All right, so it's looking like a really good day tomorrow, especially for um, Euro pairs. So there's a couple that I'm looking at for tomorrow to the upside. So let's kind of get straight into it. Currently, we're in a long, so Euro NZD, um, in a long from the spike down below in the US session. So let's kind of see where we get to with that. Okay, so just to start off with Euro GBP, um, we've come in and we've essentially tested this high here. This high was obviously like a previous resistance area. We've come in and now we've rallied. And if you look on the hourly, we've now formed this order block here. This order block here. Okay. And what do we know about order blocks? Order blocks act as demand zones for price, right? So potentially a place for where kind of price can bounce. So if we then go into the 15-minute chart, right, you can see these short-term stops here. Right, these short-term stops here. What I'm expecting in the London session, or maybe even Asia overnight, is we essentially get a move to take in these stops, rally above, and then we basically close out here to take out these stops. So essentially at the high of the day. So that's Euro GBP. Euro JPY. Okay, so there are these stops here. One, okay, that have yet to be taken on the hourly. Okay, so basically this is the low of basically Thursday or Wednesday rather. We have these highs here, so basically this breakout area that hasn't actually been tested. We've got stops resting below this area. So what I expect tomorrow is a spike down to take out these stops here, bang, back up, and then into this red area here to take out these flat highs. Flat highs always never normally kind of last long. So yeah, that's the move I'm expecting on Euro JPY. This is obviously good for our Euro NZD pair longs at the moment, because this is kind of signifying that Euro is going to be quite strong tomorrow. If we then go into GBPAUD, okay, I'm favoring the the short side to this. I'll tell you why. Alright, so we've got these stops here. This isn't really a spike, to be honest. These lows here, okay. We've also got an upside down Wyckoff pattern forming, right? And we've also got this area here, which was a previous resistance zone, or support zone rather. And what do we know? Support turns into resistance, and resistance turns into support. So in this case, previous support may likely turn into resistance. So I'm expecting a rally up into this area, close back down, and then we basically rally to take out these stops initially. Whether we take out these ones, I'm not entirely sure, but I'm most definitely aiming for these ones. And then obviously we're in Euro NZD at the moment, so yeah. So yeah, those are the trades that we got kind of marked up for tomorrow. As I said, so in summary, it should be a good day for the Euro, I reckon. So yeah, hoping for a monster rally. All right, happy trading.